Imagine your body is a garden. A sacred, precious plot of land that is yours, and yours alone, to cultivate. For years, you may have unknowingly allowed poor soil, harsh chemicals, and invasive weeds to take root. This creates an internal environment where health struggles to blossom. But what if you could learn the art of sacred gardening? What if you could consciously choose to enrich your soil, to plant seeds of vitality, and to pull the weeds of inflammation? What if you could create a vibrant, resilient inner ecosystem where illness, including cancer, finds it profoundly difficult to thrive? This is not a story of fear, but one of deep and hopeful empowerment. It's a journey inspired by the wisdom of pioneers in natural health, like Dr. Barbara O'Neill, who have spent decades observing the deep connection between what we eat and how we flourish. It's about understanding a fundamental truth: food is not just fuel, it is information. It is a biological language that speaks directly to our cells, telling our genes to express either health or disease. Food is medicine. And every meal is a daily act of choosing to build a body that is a fortress of vitality. Let's walk through the different sections of this inner garden and discover the powerful foods that can help you tend to it with love and intention. Part 1. The soil of our health. Let's begin with the very ground of our being, the foundational grains and fibers that build a healthy gut. Think of whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Quinoa, a treasure of the ancient Incas, is a complete protein. It's like a master gardener, providing every essential amino acid to keep your body structures strong and resilient. Brown rice and oats are rich in fiber, the unsung heroes of our inner world. Fiber comes in two forms: soluble fiber, which feeds the trillions of beneficial bacteria that form our microbiome, and insoluble fiber, which acts as a gentle broom, sweeping our intestines, removing toxins, and keeping us regular. When our gut, the epicenter of our immune system, is healthy, our entire body is better prepared to defend itself. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and lima beans join this group. They are powerhouses of plant-based protein and slow-releasing fiber that keep blood sugar stable. This prevents the inflammatory spikes that can create a welcoming environment for disease. When you switch from the processed empty calories of white flour and white rice to these whole, life-giving grains, you are not just changing a meal. You are fundamentally changing the very ground in which your health is rooted. Part 2. The rainbow of resilience. Next, let's plant the vibrant protectors, the brilliant colors of the garden. Nature gives us clues, and color is one of its most potent languages. Each color represents a different family of protective compounds. The deep, rich orange of a carrot or sweet potato is the color of beta-carotene. This is a powerful antioxidant that our body converts to vitamin A, acting as a cellular guardian. It protects the delicate membranes of our cells from the oxidative damage that can lead to cancer, particularly of the lung, skin, and mouth. The brilliant reds of tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit sing of lycopene. Lycopene is a fierce antioxidant known for its ability to protect our DNA and support prostate health. The radiant greens of spinach, kale, and broccoli tell a story of chlorophyll and sulforaphane. Chlorophyll cleanses our blood, while sulforaphane, found in cruciferous vegetables, is a potent compound that activates our body's own detoxification enzymes and has shown incredible promise in cancer research. And the deep purples and blues of berries, like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, are the color of anthocyanins and ellagic acid. These are not just pigments. They are powerful compounds that strengthen our immune system, reduce inflammation, and can even encourage cancer cells to self-destruct in a process called apoptosis. When you make a conscious effort to fill your plate with these vibrant colors, you are literally eating the rainbow of resilience. Part 3. The aromatic healers. Now, let us turn to the pungent and the powerful, the aromatic healers of the earth. These are the foods with strong, assertive flavors that signal their potent medicinal properties. The humble garlic, for instance, is an ancient powerhouse, used as medicine by the Egyptians. When you crush or chop it, you awaken its secret weapon, a sulfur compound called allicin. To unlock its full anti-inflammatory and antibacterial might, Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes after chopping, before you cook with it, or use it raw if you can. Its cousin, the onion, contains the powerful antioxidant quercetin, a fierce warrior against inflammation and cellular damage. And then there is the golden spice, turmeric. Its heart, a compound called curcumin, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents on the planet. It is a natural remedy that can disrupt the very pathways that tumors use to grow and spread. A secret to unlocking its power? Consume it with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in the pepper magnifies curcumin's absorption by up to 2,000%, turning a gentle healer into a formidable force for your health. Part 4. The Cleansing Elixirs. No garden is complete without a source of cleansing water. This is the role of our humble brews and elixirs. A simple cup of green tea is a daily detoxification ritual. It is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that performs a gentle cleanse of our system and offers protection against a wide array of cancers. Choosing high-quality, organic green tea ensures you receive the maximum benefit without unwanted pesticides. Another simple yet profound habit is starting your day with warm water and lemon. This simple act gently awakens your digestive system and gives your liver, your body's master filter, a supportive boost. It helps stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for carrying toxins out of the body. This daily ritual helps to efficiently clear out the toxins that can contribute to an unhealthy internal environment. Part 5. The Mighty Seeds. Let's not forget the tiny but mighty seeds and legumes. A spoonful of ground flax seeds offers a wealth of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for taming the fires of chronic inflammation throughout the body. Flax seeds are also the richest source of lignans, plant compounds that have shown powerful anti-cancer effects, especially for hormone-related cancers. Remember to grind them, as your body cannot break down the whole seed. The ancient grain amaranth, less known but incredibly potent, contains polyphenol and a rare antioxidant compound called squalene, which has shown promise in inhibiting the blood supply to tumors. And then there is organic, fermented soy, like tofu, tempeh, or miso. While processed soy can be problematic, traditional forms provide phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that can help balance our hormones. These tiny seeds are living proof that the most powerful medicine often comes in the smallest packages. Part 6. The Wisdom of the Forest Floor. Finally, we look to the quiet wisdom of the forest floor, to the kingdom of fungi. Mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and reishi are not just food, they are profound immune modulators. This means they don't just blindly boost the immune system, they educate it. They make it smarter. They contain compounds called beta-glucans, which stimulate our natural killer cells, the frontline soldiers of our inner army, to be more effective at identifying and destroying rogue cells. They are the wise elders of the natural world, teaching our bodies how to be more resilient and intelligent in their own defense. Conclusion: the art of prevention. Tending to this inner garden is not about perfection. It is about intention. It is about the small, conscious choices you make every single day. The choice to swap white rice for quinoa. The choice to add a handful of berries to your oats. The choice to add broccoli to your lunch and crush your garlic with intention for dinner. The choice to sip green tea instead of a sugary drink. Each meal is an opportunity. An opportunity to nourish your soil, to strengthen your roots, and to cultivate a body that is not a passive host for disease, but a vibrant, resilient, and inhospitable environment for it. This is the art of prevention. This is the power that has always been, and will always be, on your plate. And now, I'm curious about your garden. Which of these life-giving foods do you already cultivate in your daily routine? Share your favorites in the comments below. If this message of empowerment resonated with you, please subscribe to continue this journey of rediscovery and share this with your loved ones. Let's help each other grow. Thank you for your attention. Be well.